opportunity to hone my pronunciation skills. My name is Irina and I belong to Mr.Ghulam. I would like to start my speech some beautiful heart-touching lines. Decide it, and no words worth getting, and more than give your life to achieve it. यह तय कर लो और जान लो कि क्या हासिल करने लायक है, और फिर उसे हासिल करने के लिए जी जान लगा दो. More than your success, we learn from our defeat. अपनी सफलता से ज़्यादा हम अपनी हार से सीखते हैं. There is always going to be someone better than you, smarter than you, richer than you, and appearing happier than you. Good for all of them. You focus on you. You have qualities that no one else, because you were born unique. The sooner you realize that and start living your life as yourself, free from caring about opinions of others, the happier you will be. We all have something amazing offer this world. There is not one single person on the earth that is same as you, not one. You must understand how amazing that is. I end up my talk with a special thanks to you, all wonderful people, for listening to me with great patience. Thank you so much and have a good day.
सलाम। बहन भाइयों, अंग्रेजी की बढ़ती हुई जरूरतों को देखकर उसे नजरअंदाज नहीं किया जा सकता। अगर आप अच्छी नौकरी करना चाहते हैं या आप किसी इंटरव्यू में जाना चाहते हैं तो बगैर इंग्लिश के ये संभव नहीं है। तो बहन भाइयों, देर किस बात की,